Hello, and welcome to another telekinesis video. Today I'm gonna share the story how I discovered telekinesis. I think everybody who is watching those videos had a moment like this, or at least similar. When I was young, my father made me very angry. He punished me for something I was not supposed to be punished for. And then I wanted to close the door, but I couldn't reach it, and it closed shut by itself. I was young back then, maybe 6 or 7 years old, and I have never heard of telekinesis, but that's why I thought it must have been the wind or something. It didn't occur to me that I closed the door with my mind. But then, a couple of years later, I broke my leg and I couldn't get out of my bed. And I really wanted to get this water from my desk, but it was too far. I think I was around 12. So I tried to reach it. I was reaching and I couldn't reach it. And then the glass of water fell towards me. It just dropped. I spilled the entire water. My mom was very angry. But I tried to explain to her, Mom, I didn't do that. It happened by itself. She didn't believe me, of course. And then, by accident, or more so by coincidence, I shared those two experiences with a friend of mine. I, of course, thought he's gonna think I'm crazy. But then, he told me about this master of telekinesis who teaches telekinesis and studies telekinesis. And I reached out to him and I shared my experiences with him, and he helped me to learn the powers of telekinesis, to control the powers of telekinesis. And especially in the past few months, what I've learned about the new telekinesis method is that the first 2 times, or at least the first time I was doing telekinesis, I wasn't doing my method. I was doing this new method where you imagine something happening and then it happens. The second time, when I really wanted this water, I didn't clear my mind, of course, but I was so focused on getting this water, and I draw attraction, and then it fell towards me. That was definitely my personal telekinesis guru method. But all that I had to learn throughout the years. And then the master helped me to learn the guru method. That's when I learned to clear your mind, to keep your stuff in order, to keep it clean, to be healthy, to do all these things in order to do telekinesis. I was 15 back then. It's a long time ago, but I've studied ever since. And it's just fair because I got this knowledge for free, that I'm giving this knowledge to you for free as well, because I appreciate it so much, and I hope you guys do too. This master, many of you ask me if you can reach out to him as well, but he passed away a few years ago, so no. But his knowledge and his wisdom is always going to be alive within me, within you. So thank you so much for watching. I hope my experiences are going to help you to understand. And please share your experiences in the comments below. I want to hear everything about your first telekinetic experiences. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.